Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Emily Alcira Saliba, 48 years old. I'm a married woman. I have four kids, two boys and two girls. Before, I'm experienced working in the Middle East or Saudi Arabia. In my first employer, I worked there almost 2 years and 8 months. I take care of four siblings, one girl and one boy. And the second, my work is also Middle East, Saudi Arabia. I worked there almost 2 years and 8 months also. My work there is, I finished very well. And if I'm blessed to my new employer, I'm saying that I work very hard and I give to them very humble, and I take care we have if they're free baby, I take her like my own babies. That's also good day, man.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Yeah. I want because my family is need me. I have four kids, but I want to help them.
Okay. So how long do you expect to stay in Hong Kong?
Not problem of me. I stay there 2 years, 3 years. Yeah.
Up to employer.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.